Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Troll. If you've applied to dozens of data analyst roles but haven't received a single interview, it's probably not because you're not qualified. The issue might be your resume. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what hiring managers and recruiters actually look for in a data analyst resume and the biggest mistakes that silently get you rejected in under 6 seconds. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about your resume format. Remember, your resume is not the place to be creative. If you have too many graphics like fancy colors, tables, charts, or even icons in your resume, remember that it will get you rejected. Most recruiters use applicant tracking systems. If your formatting is too creative, the system can't parse it. That means you're out even before a human sees it. If you have a photo in the resume, remove it now. A lot of people don't know this, but photos introduce bias and are considered unprofessional in many industries. Two-column resumes are a big no as well. They may look visually appealing to you, but they will mess up the resume parsing because most ATS systems are built for simple linear resumes. Anything that complicates the layout, like two-column, increases the risk of being misread or ignored. Your resume should be clean, minimal, and easy to scan. Use a professional font like Calibri or Arial, font size 10 or 11. Keep it one page unless you're a senior professional with 10 plus years of experience. Always save it as a PDF, not as Word, because PDF preserves formatting across different devices and software, ensuring your resume looks the same. Coming up next is professional summary. A professional summary is optional, but it can help the recruiter know about you in short, and it's also a good way to include relevant keywords in the resume that will help you improve your ATS score. If you decide to use a summary, keep it short and relevant. Don't write cliched things like I'm a hardworking, dedicated team player who is passionate about growth and learning. Everyone writes that. It tells them nothing about what you actually do. A solid example of how you should write a summary would be data analyst with 2 plus years of experience, skilled in Python, SQL, and Tableau, experienced in turning raw data into actionable business insights. This is straight to the point and includes keywords relevant to the job you're applying for. Next is skills section. Remember that the skills section is a keyword goldmine. This is where you win over the ATS. Use keywords from the job description here. Group the skills into different categories like programming languages, databases, visualizations, etc. Because when recruiters and ATS systems scan for keywords, grouping your skills improves scannability and ensures that you show up in searches. Prioritize only technical skills. No need to mention soft skills like team player, leadership, communication in skill section. These are buzzwords nobody is looking for in the resume, and mentioning them is probably taking up more space in your resume at the cost of a reduced ATS score. Next up is work experience. Use bullet points to showcase your experience. Every bullet point should start with a strong action verb like engineered, analyzed, or optimized. And don't just list what your job description was. Recruiters want to see results, not just responsibilities. Instead, use the SAR format: situation, action, and result. This format forces you to show not just what you did, but what impact you had. Remember, every point should show what you did, how you did it, and what the result was. Another reason why your resume doesn't get interviews is because you don't include numbers, metrics, and quantifiable impact in your bullet points. Remember, recruiters love numbers because numbers equals credibility. Instead of saying something like helped with marketing analysis, say analyzed customer behavior data for 3 marketing campaigns, improving conversion rates by 15%. So add numbers and quantify your points wherever you can. Next up, we have project section. This section is very important, especially for beginners and students. If you're a fresher or someone who is transitioning into data analytics, projects can be a good way to showcase your new data skills to the recruiter and earn their trust. Don't list 7 random projects. 2 to 3 well-explained projects that are relevant to the job you're applying for are enough. Don't forget to mention the tools used in the project, and if possible, attach links to GitHub repositories or websites if you have deployed your projects. The hiring manager may not click on these links, but it will give them an impression that you're not just making claims but showing concrete evidence. Next, we have the education section. Only list your most recent degree. No need to mention your 10th or 12th marks. Prioritize quality over quantity. If you are someone who is creating a table for showcasing education, then please stop. I've made this mistake in the past, and although you would think this will make you look neat, the table will mess up your resume passing and could be the reason you're getting rejected. Lastly, let's go through some more common mistakes to avoid in your resume. First, spelling or grammar mistakes will instantly reject your resume. Second, writing references available on request on your resume is not needed at all and you're better off without it. Third, don't put hobbies and interests in the resume unless it's related to the job you're applying for. Fourth, no need to mention personal details like your address, gender, or marital status in the resume. Even avoid putting your phone number if possible. The contact section of your resume should have your email address along with 2 or 3 links like your portfolio, your LinkedIn, or GitHub. And there you go. That's a complete breakdown of what hiring managers actually want to see on your resume. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Data Drool, and comment below if you want me to review your resume. See you in the next one.